Are you fed up with the financial burden of your timeshare? Well, you know what? Once a wonderful thing to own and participate in, now has possibly become a nightmare. So, how do you get yourself out of this bad dream? Well, joining us this morning is Ernie Bjorkman, who's Timeshare Termination Team, with some tips on how they can help you if you're considering trying to get out of your timeshare. First of all, what are frustrated timeshare owners telling you? We already know last year was, just
Oh,
mark it off the cap off the whole year.
exactly.
Couldn't use it. What about this year? And do people even want to bother anymore?
Really not, because we're finding out that they're very outdated products anymore, timeshares. A lot of people don't use them anymore. So the frustrating part, as you mentioned, Terry, is that people last year couldn't use their timeshare, but unfortunately, they were still having to pay for those yearly maintenance fees and possibly some special assessments, because those resorts lost a lot of money last year, and they want to make that financial loss up by putting it on your bill. And then there's the person who bought the timeshare, let's say 30 years ago. They've grown older. They're not traveling as much. Their families don't want it. And we're finding out that a lot of times that these contracts, when you die, goes into the estate, and your kids are stuck with these timeshare contracts, something they don't want, something they can't afford. So Timeshare Termination Team has put together a great team of experts who will help you get out of that contract legally and permanently.
Excellent. So I know it's a big process, but just kind of give us an idea of the process. How quickly can we expect it to be resolved and not have to pay that bill anymore?
Yeah, really. What you do is make a call. We'll set up a free consultation with one of those expert advisors. They'll ask you a lot of questions. You'll ask them questions, see if this is the best fit for you. And if it is, we'll set up a roadmap to get you out of that contract. And then we'll hand it off to a great benefit. We have an in-house legal team who handles many, many of these cases. That's all they do. And they will get you out of that contract legally and permanently.
Wow. Okay. In-house. That's good to know. But what else makes you guys different than everybody else out there?
Well, I don't want to brag, but we have a great reputation. And we have,
brag, Ernie, brag.
yeah, why not? Why not? And we have outstanding results with our clients. And if we can't, we're honest about it, and we give you a money-back exit guarantee. Second of all, we are one of the few companies that have an attorney-based in-house company. So we have a legal team that will set up that roadmap legally and know what procedures to do to get you out of that contract. So with all that, go to our webpage, timeshareterminationteam.com. Look at the reviews. They're from real people with real results.
All right. Well, let's hear what one client had to say.
If someone was stuck in a timeshare, I know there's a lot of people out there that are, I would definitely recommend Timeshare Termination Team. There's the fee involved, but that's nothing compared to the amount of money you've already spent and will spend if you can't get out of your timeshare. It's a win-win situation.
All right, Ernie, so what are the next steps now? Our viewers, their ears have perked up. What do we do next?
Well, don't procrastinate. Call us, set up that free consultation. It's hassle-free, it's risk-free, and we'll find out what your situation is. We'll get you out of that contract legally and permanently. So a phone call is all you need, risk-free, hassle-free, and it will give you a lot of peace of mind. You have nothing to lose, but everything to gain.
Excellent information, as always. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Terry.
We want to give our viewers some more information as well. Timeshare Termination Team, they're offering up free consultations. Just mention Sonora Living and get 15% off when you terminate your timeshare. 602-362-1674. The website, terminate602.com.